Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at a detached property today in Fitzroy Road in Tankerton. So of course location is everything with this one. Of course a short walk onto the harbour town of Whitstable and onto Tankerton High Street and then onto the seafront. Now this property does come with an interesting addition in the rear garden that we'll get to a little bit later on in the tour, but for now we're going to start by coming straight through into the front lounge area. Now this is a beautifully presented property and the space that we have on offer here is fantastic. We've got that nice wood burning stove here in the lounge with of course the stairs leading us up to the first floor of the property, and you've got those two wonderful big windows there at the front just letting all of that natural light flood through. Now we do have plenty more to see on the ground floor, but for now we're going to go upstairs and take a look at two bedrooms and a family bathroom up here. Now coming straight through in off of this wonderful light and bright and airy landing space, we'll come through and take a look at a fantastic bedroom. Now bedroom here, wonderful size, plenty of space here for the bed and for plenty of storage, and we've got that wonderful window there letting all of that natural light through as well. Now up here on the first floor we do have those two bedrooms and a family bathroom, the master bedroom of which does have a wonderful amount of space, plenty of fitted wardrobe storage, and of course you've got that nice little dressing area in the bedroom as well. Now coming through into the bathroom here, you can see that we've got the shower on the left and the bath right ahead of us, and you do have again wonderful amounts of light coming through here from the window there at the back, and of course from the space up there on the ceiling. Now the really impressive thing about this property is of course it does accommodate for ground floor living accommodation as well. So you do have the downstairs bedroom with the downstairs bathroom as well, so you've got the option for first floor and ground floor living here. Now coming through into the master bedroom here, you can see you've got a wonderful amount of space, plenty of room there for the double bed and plenty of light coming in through the windows there as well. And just as we bring the camera around, you can see that just in the corner there we do have a really nice amount of space leading us through into the fitted storage. Now this area does make for a really nice little dressing area as well, so really fantastic master bedroom up here. Let's go downstairs next and take a look at the rest of the ground floor before heading out into the rear garden and taking a look at that interesting addition. So back on the ground floor and just coming off of the entrance hall out of the lounge there, you can see that we've come through into a really convenient ground floor room here. Could be used of course as a coat room as it's currently being used as, or as a study as well. Really interesting space to have and a fine addition to the ground floor of the property. Now coming through into the middle here, you can see that we've got the bath and shower room here which services the bedroom that we have that we're going to be going into next, but of course fantastic size there. And coming through to the end of the hallway here, we'll go through into that ground floor bedroom, which is a wonderful double-sized room with a lovely view over the rear garden. Now the next room we're going to go through and take a look at is an impressive kitchen dining space. Got a wonderful amount of room in there, plenty of worktop space and plenty of storage space in the cupboards, and as you can see got plenty of room there on the right hand side for the dining room table, and you've got the double door access out into the rear garden. So beautiful kitchen dining space here, a real hub of the home. And what we're going to do next is just take a few moments to take this space in and go into the rear garden, and we'll reconvene at the garage and workshop before recapping a few points on the property. So we've had a good few moments to take a look around the garden itself, and coming through to the end of the garden you can see that we've got a set of double gates. Now the double gates lead us through into this fantastic off-road parking area and of course the garage and workshop. Now this space is absolutely fantastic, a proper garage and workshop space here. You've got plenty of storage space in here as well, but of course for anybody that needs that home working space this would be absolutely fantastic. So it could remain as a garage and workshop, or perhaps be used as a space to work from home. So I'm sure that you've really enjoyed taking a look at number 75 Fitzroy Road with us here today. I'm sure you've got plenty of questions for us, and I really would ask that you give us a call if you do want to ask any of the members of staff in the office any of those questions. But for now, don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.